Hey, in this quick and easy Photoshop tutorial I will show you how to blur the background, and we have two scenarios. One, if we want to blur this entire background, which is much easier, but if you have an object and you want to blur all around it, you will have some extra steps, but it is not impossible, and I will show you my way how I do it. So let's first start with this picture, which is much easier. So what you have to do, select the picture in the bottom right hand corner, and usually I will just unlock it, and after you select it, you have to go to filters here above, then blur, and you have a couple of choices here, but I will go with Gaussian Blur. Let's choose this one, and this menu just pop up on my other screen. I will place it right here, and from here you can select the intensity of the blur, okay? With 5 or 6 will look just awesome. But in this case, where we want to blur around the car or around the person, the way I do it, I use this tool right here, is the object selection tool. Let's use it, and sometimes it will pick perfectly the object or the person, and now I'll press Ctrl and C to copy and Ctrl and V to paste. And pay attention at the layers, a new layer has been created. Now let's select the background, unlock it, and let's go again to filters, blur and Gaussian blur. And let's see what intensity we'll give to it with 1, maybe 3, what about 5? Let's go all the way to 8. And now it's much better. But this object selection tool is much more complex, and I will not get into it right now. I will place a tutorial right now on the screen for you to watch it, so you can go more in depth with it. So this is how to blur a background in Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.